Hello everyone and welcome. This video I'm going to walk you through how to change your phone number on Wise via their website. It's important to get this right as phone numbers are tied to account security. So I'm going to give you a breakdown on how to change your phone number on Wise via their website based on their official help resources. Key steps via the Wise website. The first thing you need to do is to go to the official Wise website, wise.com, and log in using your registered email address and password. Once logged in, look for your profile name or initials typically located at the top right-hand corner of the screen. Click on it. From the drop-down menu or profile settings, select Personal Details. Within the Personal Details section, find the mobile number field. There should be an option to edit or changes. Select the option. Follow on-screen instruction. Wise will guide you through the process. This will involve entering a new phone number, including the correct country code, receiving a verification SMS or your verified phone number, and you will need to enter the code to confirm. It's possible that Wise will ask for further identification. This is for security. Alternative method via email link is Wise also offers an alternative way to begin the process. You can find this option by getting to the Wise help pages and searching for change phone number. This will then provide you with a way to input your registered email address. Wise will then send a secure link to that email address. By following that link, you will be guided through the phone number change process. Important for you to note that Wise takes security seriously. Be prepared for potential verification steps. Accuracy. Ensure you enter your new phone number correctly, including the country code. Always refer to the official Wise Help Center for the most up-to-date information.